Today I am going to teach next question, that is moment of inertia of uniform disk. Already in live class I taught moment of inertia of uniform rod and moment of inertia of uniform ring. Now I am going to teach moment of inertia of uniform disk. Okay, for this we consider one disk. It has a radius is r, it has a radius is capital letter R. Okay, it has a mass is m. Okay, for calculate the moment of inertia of the uniform disk, already you know the conditions. So first we need to choose the origin, and then we need to calculate the small part in this disk. Here the mass is uniformly distributed. It has a thickness is dr. It has a thickness is dr. Okay, it has a radius is r. From the origin it has a radius is r. Here the mass of the small area, that is dm. Okay, so we are going to calculate the moment of inertia of the smallest mass dm. Okay, this moment of inertia of the mass is calculated di. Okay, this is a smaller part, so the moment of inertia is not better. Di is equal to, already you know the formula, product of the mass and the square of the distance. So the mass is dm and it is based on distance is r, so into r square. Okay students, so and then you know this mass, it is one of the mass of the disk that is uniformly distributed over the area. Okay, so from the concept we are going to discuss about mass per unit area is noted by letter sigma. Sigma is equal to, what is the formula? Mass per area. Okay, the mass per area, that is, you know, the mass of the disk is m. The area means it has a shape that is circle, so we can take the area of the circle. So the area of the circle means that has a formula is pi r square. Okay, so this is a sigma is equal to m divided by pi r square. Okay, so next we take this mass. From the values of m we are going to calculate the values of the dm. So the mass of infinite simile small disk. Okay, the mass of infinitely small disk is noted by dm is equal to, okay, so the dm is calculated by using the formula of dm is equal to mass per unit area into area of the disk, Okay, the area of the disk means it has a mass per unit area is 2 pi r. Okay, total area is not equal to 2 pi r in the dr. Okay, students, listen to me. This is a mass per unit area. Okay, and then this is one of the area for the smaller disk. Okay, right, that is 2 pi r, and it has a thickness is dr. It is given the total area of the ring. The total area of the ring is given by the 2 pi r into dr. Okay, already you know the mass per unit area is sigma, so sigma into area of the ring, that is 2 pi r into dr. So it is given the values of the dm. Okay, for calculating the values of dm we can take the formula like this, right? So here the 2 pi r dr is the area of the elemental ring. Okay, and the 2 pi r dr is the area of the elemental ring. It is multiplied with the mass per area, means it is with the values of the mass of the ring. Okay students, so next from the equation we know that the sigma is equal to m divided by pi r square. Is substitute in this equation means m divided by pi r square into 2 pi r dr. Pi cancelled. So from this we can write that values of dm is equal to 2m divided by r square. Okay, that is r into dr. Okay, so from the dm we can calculate the values of the di. So the di is equal to dm into r square. You know the values of dm is substitute in this equation means 2m divided by r square into r dr into r square. So it will become as di is equal to 2m divided by capital letter r square small letter r cube into dr. Okay, so we calculate the values of the di. This is a moment of inertia for the smaller area. From this we can calculate the values of the total moment of inertia. So how you can calculate the total moment of inertia? The total moment of inertia is calculated by using the total moment of inertia of disk is calculated by using the formula of I. How you can calculate the I is equal to integral of di. You know the values of di is substitute in this equation. So I is equal to integral of 2m divided by r square r cube dr. So we are going to integrate these values with respect to r, that is radius. Okay, so small letter r, okay, dr means that is radius. Okay, we are integrating these values with respect to radius. So initially it has a radius is 0, finally it has a radius is capital letter r. So we can give the lower limit and upper limit. Lower limit 0, upper limit capital letter r. So I is equal to, in this 2m divided by r square, it will be taken outside. So remaining 0 to r cube dr. So I is equal to 2m divided by r square into, what is the values of the r cube? Integral of r cube into dr. Integral of r cube into dr means that is the values of r power 4 divided by 4. Okay, because the formula integral of x into dx is equal to x square divided by 2. So like this, integral of x cube dx is equal to x power 4 divided by 4. Okay, so we can write r power 4 divided by 4. Okay, this is general formula. So I is equal to 2m divided by r square. So sorry, lower limit 0, upper limit r. So first we are substitute upper limit means that is r power 4 divided by 4 minus lower limit 0 divided by anything is equal to 0. So equal to 0. So I is equal to r square, r power 4 means it is the values is r square, 2m r square divided by 4. In next step it will become as I is equal to 1 divided by 2 m r square.